Hello. Uh, this is the first opportunity today, as you can see on the screen. I quickly want to show you how to join the free online training platform. I sent out an email out some on I think today, 21st November 2019. As you can see the date, I sent out a mail, as you can see on the screen. Join my online free business training room today, and this training room is meant for teaching people what the basic knowledge and highlights of what they need to know before they join any online business model. I have been talking about affiliate marketing, talking about e-commerce, meaning importation, niche blogging, information marketing, online freelance, smart networking marketing, website design, and a lot of other genuine online business that you can do to make good money come 2020 and beyond. So I sent out this email, and I think that some people, they may have problem accessing the platform, the training platform. The training platform is available on the Skype, as you can see on the screen. This is a group, this is a platform where I will be offering the training, and it will be a live streaming. I will be sharing my screen and other. So you need to be a member of this training group before you can partake of this. So that is why I am sharing the link to join. Now, if you have one thing you need to know for you to successfully join is either you have Skype activated on your devices, either on desktop or on your mobile, that is talking about your phone, tab, or tab, and any other browsable Android phone or iPhone. So if you have Skype downloaded and active on your devices, either on laptop, on your phones, your mobile phone, or any other browsable devices you have, it will be easy for you to do. But if not, what you need to do immediately, either you have it or you don't have it, the first thing is that click on this. When you click on this, it will open a new tab, a new browsing tab, either on your phone or on your PC, that is talking about personal computer, whichever device you are trying to use to access the platform, the training platform. As you can see, join that skype.com/. So this is the link, the invite link that you can use. So if you are on a PC or your mobile device, and it pop up something like this, just click open URL Skype, open it. Don't mistakenly click on cancel, just click on open URL Skype, and now it will load up the next prompt for you to take charge. So when it load up, just wait and watch out what will be the next step to take. Okay, as you can see now, after I have clicked open URL Skype, the next is say you have been invited to join a Skype conversation. Yes. So now, if you have Skype downloaded on your if you already have you have Skype active on your device, either on your mobile or on your laptop, or whichever way. So what you need to do is just click join. It's either click on join as a guest. No, don't join as a guest. No, you are to sign in or create account. So this one serve a dual purpose. Number one, if you have a Skype already on your devices, either on your PC or on your mobile device, so ignore join as a guest. So you sign in or create. So if you have Skype on your devices, either PC or mobile devices, then click on sign in. or create. So when you click on sign in or create, what happen is you have the option. The system, the software will know if you have the Skype on your devices, it will prompt you to sign in. But if you don't have the Skype on your devices, it will prompt you to download and activate Skype on your devices. So when you activate Skype on your devices, then you can now be able to join the group. You can see my own is loading. You can see now that my own has loaded. Because I have Skype on my devices, I will just type in my email address, phone number, or Skype address or Skype ID. I can use any to sign in. Ordinarily, you can see that I am actively signed in on my Skype, as you can see. And then my Skype, for some of you that you may want to first of all add me to your Skype, my Skype ID is Dele Atam. So that is my Skype ID. So if I want to log in now, I will type my Skype ID. But in case I don't have account, I don't have a Skype account, what you need to do is create one. So that is for those people that did not have Skype account. If you have Skype account, it's either you use your email address that you use to create your Skype account, or phone number that is connected to your Skype account, or Skype ID. Either I use my email address, so either I use this or I use this. This is my email, that is my Skype ID and Skype email address. For security purpose, I will not share my email phone. I have a phone number that is connected. If your own, you can just log into email through email. This is for people that have existing account holder of Skype. But in case you don't have account with Skype, what you need to do is, you can say no account. What you need to do, click on create one. So when you click on create one, it will prompt you to the next page where you'll be able to create your account. So can you see now, you create your account, just type your phone number. For example, let me say I want to do something, I want to do that, or use your email instead. So can you see now? So you can decide to, either you can decide to create your account with phone number or use your email address instead. So you can decide to do any. So if you want to use your phone number, type your phone number here, and if you want to use your email address, click on email address and type your email address. So whichever way, then you go ahead and click next, and then you follow the prompt until the Skype is downloaded on your devices, and then you get the things done. When you have a good internet service, then you should be able to get it done within 5 to 7 minutes. So that is the simple way to get to join this training platform. I'm introducing online business training with Oludele Atunishi. So that is the simple way to go through it. However, better still, in case you have not, the best thing I will advise is that if you find that one difficult, then go to Google Play. Go to Google Play, that is on your mobile. Go to Google Play on your mobile to download Skype and install it on your system. So after you have done that, then you can come back. After you have installed the Skype on your devices, or go to Google Play to download and install Skype on your mobile devices, or go to or go to to google.com and search for Skype. I think Skype PC. I think Skype PC or something like that. So you can just find the way to download it either on your PC, on your, so you download it and you install it properly. Then you can check the email that I sent to you. Then click on this and you automatically join the group. And I'll be waiting for you to be a part of this group, where I'll be sharing ideas of how our online business business model that you can do and you can key into to make good money in 2020. So go now and check your email and follow the instruction. Click on this and then follow the instruction down to this place, and then you are good to go to join the group. So I will be waiting for you in the group, where I'll be giving you the outline and giving you notification on the training, ad plan, and what next to do. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. It has been the first opportunity show daily. Once again, in case you want to keep receiving my YouTube notification, to try to endeavor to click on subscribe so that you can keep receiving the email. You can keep receiving my YouTube video when I launch new YouTube video. And not only that, you can click on the bell icon beside subscribe also, so that you can be notified through email when there is a new email on the when there is a new YouTube on my YouTube. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on subscribe button, and at the same time you will see subscribe button below this video. Click on subscribe. By then you are going to be notified, or you'll be receiving my subsequent video on online business and other money making and marketing on the internet. And not only that, try as much as possible to click on a button on the bell, notification bell. The notification bell will prompt you anytime there's a new video in your email. Anytime when you click on subscribe button, then go ahead to click on notification, and then notification, and select all notification. So when you select all notification, by doing that you'll be able to receive notification anytime there's a new video on my channel, and then you'll be notified through your email. So thanks for watching, and go and download go and install Skype on your mobile device or PC device, and join the group. Follow the instruction listed in this video. It has been the first opportunity. Once again, see you at the top, and waiting to see you at the training group, at the training. Even as at the moment someone has already joined the group already. This is Joy, join the group, as you can see. So I'm expecting you also to join the group, so that we can start the business and the training for the year 2020. Talk to you later. Bye.